In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your LinkedIn account, and it only takes a few minutes. Whether you're new to LinkedIn or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step clearly and simply. Let's get started by navigating to the LinkedIn login page. Open your web browser and type in linkedin.com/UA/login in the address bar. Once you hit enter, you'll be directed to the login page. It's a good idea to bookmark this page for quick access in the future, especially if you need to log in frequently. Now take a look at the login form on the center of your screen. Here you'll need to enter the email address associated with your LinkedIn account, followed by your password. It's best to double check both for accuracy so you don't get locked out due to a typing error. If you're using a public or shared computer, it's important to make sure that you don't accidentally save your password in the browser for security reasons. For those who have used alternative sign-in methods in the past, LinkedIn offers options to sign in with Google, Apple, or even Microsoft. Simply click on the corresponding button and you'll be prompted to sign in through the service you selected. This can be a faster and more convenient way to access your account if you're already logged into one of these services. Once you've entered all your information or selected your sign-in method, locate and click the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you'll be taken straight to your LinkedIn homepage where you can start connecting with professionals and exploring content. If you can't quite remember your password, don't worry, just click on the Forgot Password link, which you'll find right beneath the password field. This will guide you through a simple process to reset your password. Make sure to check your email for the reset link and follow the instructions to create a new secure password. At times, you might encounter trouble logging in even when using the correct credentials. In such cases, LinkedIn provides the option to request a one-time sign-in link sent to your primary email address. This can help you bypass any login issues quickly without changing your password again. Lastly, if you've enabled two-factor authentication on your LinkedIn account, be prepared to receive a verification code on your phone. This step adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that even if someone has your password, they can't access your account without this code. After entering the code correctly, you'll gain full access to your LinkedIn account. And there you have it. Logging into LinkedIn is straightforward once you know what to do. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials.